Hello friends. I hope you are doing great today. Have you heard the word continuous? It is an action happening or existing without a break or stopping. When you learn English language, this particular word plays vital role in many situations. Don't worry guys. I will explain it. Look at Sarah and try to make a sentence related to her current action. She is playing a guitar now. In this example, you know very well that she is doing something continuously. So, this sentence is called a continuous action. See the next example. Sarah is riding a bicycle. This is exactly what we learned before. Such sentences are grammatically called present continuous. Today, I am going to teach you about past continuous actions. Lesson 5, Part A. Subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. Let's look at Sarah again. She was playing a guitar then. Sarah was riding a bicycle. The sentence she is playing becomes she was playing in the past. Was is the past form of is and am. I was reading newspaper. John was waiting for the taxi. I was sleeping at 2 a.m. They were discussing something. Were is the past form of are. The kids were playing. The nurse was standing by the patient. Many people were visiting the new amusement park in our city. I was playing with my kids. Was should be used with subjects such as I, she, he, it. I was reading. She was cooking. He was playing. It was raining. Were should be used with subjects such as they, we, you. They were discussing. We were working. You were cheating me. John and Adam were going together. All of these are wrong sentences. I were sleeping. She were calling. They was running. We was looking. Was is used with singular subjects. Were is used with plural subjects. More examples. Sarah was watering the plant. Sophia was playing video game. I was checking my weight.
Oh, come on.
We were swimming. They were writing something. My parents were speaking with my teacher. Now, let's understand the differences between past and past continuous action. I have a good idea for you. Read the next examples carefully. I slept at 10 p.m. and woke up at 6 a.m. The sentence means that I was sleeping at 2 a.m. I went to school at 10 a.m. and returned at 4 p.m. I was studying from the school at 3 p.m. Friends, do you understand? When and while have the similar meaning. These are the most used words when we talk about the past and past continuous sentences together in a conversation. Let's have a look at such sentences. It started to rain when I was waiting for the bus. I was using computer when the phone rang. Sarah was taking photos when I saw her. A few passengers were waiting when the bus arrived. I came. When I came. I was coming. When I was coming. They worked. When they worked. They were working. While they were working. More examples. I was sleeping when he called. She was cooking when I went to her house. They were playing cricket when I saw. We were fighting when teacher came. It was raining when I went out. It was working properly when I used it yesterday.
That makes sense. Now, I can speak English more confidently.
Now, let's continue the class with negative sentences. Past continuous, negative. Lesson 5, Part B. To make negative sentence, use not, after, was, and were. I wasn't sleeping. They weren't looking at you. He wasn't walking fast. They weren't talking politely. My business wasn't going well in the last year. More examples. I wasn't listening to you. They weren't helping us. Actually, we weren't thinking so. My father wasn't working abroad at that time. John wasn't treating me well. He wasn't trying to do so. More examples, using nobody. Nobody was sitting there. Nobody was harassing me. Nobody was standing beside me. I wasn't feeling comfortable at the bank. Sarah wasn't playing. Actually, she was reading newspaper. I wasn't having food when he came. I was washing my hands. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. So, I went to hospital. Friends. Did I explain that well? Anyway, it's enough for today. See you soon. If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe and support us. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.